Step outside your back door and into a world of untamed adventure. Your garden, patio, or even a local park is a secret wilderness teeming with life. This is where the ordinary becomes extraordinary, and a patch of grass transforms into a dense jungle, a log becomes a mountain range, and a puddle becomes a vast ocean for the tiny creatures that call it home. Goats were among the first animals domesticated by humans, around 10,000 years ago. Goats are known for being curious and playful. They love to climb and explore. Goats have rectangular-shaped pupils, which help them see almost 360 degrees around. Black bears are excellent climbers. They use trees for safety, resting, and escaping predators, including other bears. Black bears have a highly varied diet. Over 85% of it is often plant-based. Lions are the only truly social cats, living in groups called prides that can have up to 30 members. Lions can run up to 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, for short bursts but rely on teamwork and ambush instead of speed. A lion's mane helps protect its neck during fights and also signals strength. Leopards live alone, meeting others only during mating season. Leopards eat antelope, deer, monkeys, birds, reptiles, and even insects. Leopards often store their kills in trees to protect them from lions and hyenas. Leopards can mate any time of the year. Wolves are apex predators. They help keep ecosystems balanced. Wolves can live 6 to 8 years in the wild, but up to 13 years in captivity. Wolves are also scavengers and will eat carrion when food is scarce. Wolves communicate through howls, growls, barks, and body language. Dogs are one of the first animals domesticated by humans, over 15,000 years ago. Dogs belong to the animal family called canines, which also includes wolves, foxes, and coyotes. Dogs use their tails, ears, and body movements to communicate feelings. Camels produce nutrient-rich milk, which is a key food source for desert people. Camels are strong swimmers, surprising for desert animals. Camels can eat dry, salty, or thorny plants that other animals can't. Rhinos are massive, with some species weighing up to 2,500 kilograms, 5,500 pounds, about as heavy as a small car. A rhino's horn is made of keratin, the same substance as human hair and nails. Centipedes are carnivorous and are among the dominant invertebrate predators in many ecosystems. Centipedes do not have jaws. Instead, the first pair of legs behind their head has evolved into venom-injecting claws called forcipules. Some centipede mothers exhibit a surprising level of parental care. Yellow jackets live in large, well-organized colonies that can contain thousands of individuals. Yellow jackets are carnivorous predators in the spring and summer. They hunt other insects like caterpillars, flies, and spiders to feed their developing larvae. Yellow jackets are notoriously more aggressive than bees and many other wasps. Scorpions are one of the oldest terrestrial animals. Scorpions are incredibly resilient. They have a very low metabolic rate and can slow their metabolism to as little as 1/3 the rate of most arthropods. All scorpions possess venom, but only about 25 to 30 species have venom potent enough to be considered dangerous to humans. Donkeys can live 25 to 40 years, sometimes longer with good care. Donkeys vary from 90 centimeters, 3 feet, to 160 centimeters, 5.2 feet, tall, depending on breed. Cows are domesticated mammals raised mainly for milk, meat, and leather. Their milk is used to make butter, cheese, yogurt, and ice cream. Cows spend about 8 hours a day eating and another 8 hours chewing cud, regurgitated food. Bulls are known for their broad shoulders, strong necks, and thick bones. Bulls are highly protective of their space and herd. Bulls aren't angered by red, they react to movement, not color. Bulls snort, paw the ground, Wild in the Garden is your invitation to become an explorer. No plane ticket or safari jeep required. All you need is a curious mind and a keen eye to begin your journey.